The middle, okay, this is a whole bunch of stuff. It's good for your under eyes. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it, and I am just itching to start this video because this video is all about my August Boxycharm, and it actually came super early this month. It got here around, I think, the 9th of August, which it usually doesn't come until at least halfway through or after that, but it's here early this month, and your girl's got it, and I'm so ready to open it. So if you guys want to see what's in this month's box, then just go ahead and keep watching. So, as always, gonna open it up. We've got our little card right here. This month's theme is Live It Up, Life of the Party. That's nice. I love their new version of the cards. They used to just give you like one this sized, but now they give you one that's like flip up, and it's cute, and I like it. Anyway, so this month's theme is Life of the Party, and ooh, Laura Lee's in the middle. I love her. Anyway, so yes, this is the theme of this month's box. I'm gonna like lay it right here so that I don't forget to talk about prices. So I'm starting this video out barefaced because we've got some skincare products at the beginning, so I'm very excited for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything else out because it's at the bottom. Okay, so the skincare products that I was talking about are these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So like this, we get 3 of them, which is awesome. These retail for $13. I don't know if that's individually or if that's 3 of them, but it says individually packaged gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporating, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. Okay, this is a whole bunch of stuff. It's good for your under eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open one of these, and oh my gosh. I don't know if I've ever done an eye mask. And it's like really like sudsy. Directions: apply to clean, dry under eyes. Repeat on the other side. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum into skin. Okay, so it's like 2 of them. Which side do I put on? I'm confused. Truly don't know which side. So I'm just gonna like, you know what, we're gonna do one of each. So, ooh, so cold. I'm gonna do one of them this side up, and then I'm gonna do the other one with the white side up because I truly don't know which way it's supposed to go. But cool, now that I look awesome, we're just gonna let this sit on here for about 10 minutes and I will come back and we will assess the situation. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. I truly don't know which side that is. They should be a little bit more clear about that on the thing. I'm gonna toss these, throw them away, and we're just gonna rub in the rest of the serum. Oh, I think the white side was supposed to be what's underneath my eye and the gold part was facing you guys, I think. Just because the side feels a little more wet. So I just rubbed that in. Okay, so I've rubbed that in. I have 3 of them, so I'm gonna use all 3 of them. I'm not really sure. I mean, my under eyes feel super moisturized, so that's awesome, but I can't really see any difference at the moment. I have such bad dark circles, like. Okay, so the next product that we got in this month's box is the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. So it looks, I cut myself the other night on edible cookie dough, like the jar of it. I really don't know how it happened, but I'm still shook. So this is what it looks like. I remember when they were announcing that we were getting a primer in this month's box, there was like a few options. It was like this one, the liquid highlighter primer from Becca, or the pore refining one, which is the one that I selfishly wanted because I have oily skin. So I don't know if this one's really gonna help me at all, but I'm gonna read up on it. First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. Your instant fix for bad face day. I have a bad face all the time. Introducing your new pick-me-up, a lustrous lavender-hued priming filter powered by luminescence. Oh, that's the word that I hate more than anything. Powered by luminescence that preps, perks, and perfects the complexion. So this is not for my skin tone, for my skin type, but we're gonna use it anyway. We got it. If I don't like it, then I'll just give it to my sister because she has dry skin. So it's got a little lavender on it. I'm scared. Ooh. Maybe this will like cancel out some of my redness. Let's think positive here, people. It smells like lemon cookies. That's amazing. Wow, we are gonna be hydrated today. Okay, so that was this primer. I love the smell. I love it so much. I don't really, I noticed that it did make my face look a little more luminous, which I never like because I have oily skin, but that's okay. Maybe it refreshes my face now so that it doesn't produce more oils later. I don't know, but we're gonna keep testing it out. I'm going to apply my face makeup, my base, really quickly off camera, and then I'll be right back. Oh wait, before I leave, this is, they say it's anywhere from $15 to $18, so I'm not sure of the price, but either way, not too expensive. Okay, so I've done my base. I am ready to move on to the next product. Actually, before I apply the rest of the products on my face, we actually have a product that I cannot apply to my face because it is for your nails. It is the NCLA Los Angeles Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. I believe I've gotten this in a Boxycharm box, or maybe it was an Ipsy a long time ago. But this retails for $18. That's expensive. A cuticle oil? I have one already, so I mean, I'll keep it, I'll use it eventually. I don't use it that often, but when I do use it, I use it and it works fine. But yeah, this is one of the products that we got in the box that I cannot apply to my face. So we've got 3 more products, and the first of which is the, I'm so excited, the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, eyeshadow palette, and this is so exciting. I've already swatched these just to kind of see what I was going to be playing with, but I have not used them on the eyes, and I'm so excited to use this. This palette retails for $19, so she has this one in the collection and a more natural, neutral one. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to use this. It's very colorful, very beautiful, and you know I love that. So I'm just gonna do a little eye look, see how they perform, and let you guys know how it works. guys, as you saw in that sped up clip of me applying these shadows, things took a turn for the worst. The first couple shades I used were okay. Like this one looked good in the crease, this one looked good in the crease as well. Then I applied this color, and when I was trying to blend out that color, it just went away completely. It's patchy. This shade is probably the worst out of all of them. It is so dry that you literally put it on your eye and it just crumbles. Like, it does not pick up anything. Like, I'm gonna just dry swatch it. Because it's a shimmer, it should pick up fine, but even picking it up, it's like crumbly. And then, like, let me try and show you guys swatched, like, and it just goes everywhere. So I don't mind it going everywhere. Like, I can do my eyes first, but if it's going everywhere and not even putting any pigment down, like, that color placement looks really terrible. Like, it doesn't look good at all. Plus, I put powder underneath my eyes. You saw me do that about midway through, because these blues, I should have known that. These blues in general are just very, like, they transfer and they're a mess. But that's okay if they work. Like, if they work, then I'll deal with the mess. Like, I'll do my eyes first. Like, that's not an issue. But the fallout is so bad with these. Even, like, when you put stuff under, they just get everywhere. Like, I had to apply, like, a whole bunch of blush on my cheeks, because right here, there's purple everywhere. It's not that great. The lower lash colors, I actually kind of need to balance this one out because it didn't. The orange and the pink were fine. They had no problems. Don't mind me just sitting here. The orange, I actually wish was more pigmented. It's not that pigmented, like, at all. Hold on, let me try and swatch that better for you guys. Like, it's not that pigmented, which is fine. It wasn't bad. But overall, I thought this palette was gonna be better, and my eyes kind of look a mess, but I just tried to use every shadow, and yeah, that's why my eyes kind of look a little weird. I'm not super impressed with this. I thought I was going to be, but I'm not. Like, I'm just not. So yeah, there's my verdict on that palette. Let's just go on to the next thing. The next thing we have in the box this month is the Bang Beauty. I think it's an eyeliner, and I think it's brown. Yeah, it's brown. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna use this with this eye look. So maybe I can apply it to my waterline. Yeah, this almost looks like a brow pomade. Like, that's the kind of brown it is. It's not like a super dark brown or anything. I guess I'm gonna try and apply this in my waterline, see how that works. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Never mind. So we got this. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys and kind of show you the color of it. It's right here. It looks like a brow pomade, honestly, and it's not that pigmented. It's kind of patchy. Yeah, so that's this liner. I don't really want to mess up my eyes by putting that brown liner on, because I feel like it won't even show up because it's like more of a lighter brown. So we got this in the box. This was Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliners, $22. So yeah, or it says you could even use this for your brows. So I would probably use this more for my brows. It's not a bad color either. So I'd probably use this more for my brows. If anything, I would not probably use that as a liner. So yeah, let's move on to the last product. The last product is the Be Legendary Liquid Metal Lipstick. Metal meaning it's probably metallic. So this is the lipstick. It is metallic. I'm not a fan of them, but we're gonna apply it anyway. This retails for $24. So I'm just gonna, did I have that? I had that orange swatch on my hand. Okay, so it's not as bad as I thought. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a purpley pink, and I think it might be bringing out, I think the blue and the eyeshadow might be bringing out a little bit of purple, but it's really not that bad. I would probably use this for like the holiday season, like if I'm going to a party with like a super like blank eye, like a simple eye look. But I don't mind it. It's called Mauve Squad, and it doesn't dry down. It also has this really cool little applicator, like a little, first of all, let me, it's got like this little curved applicator, which is nice, and I really don't mind the color. I think it's very comfortable, and I don't think it goes with this eye look, but it's still really pretty. Yes, that is the last product. So we've got this lip product, we've got this chocolate gel eyeliner, we've got the primer, what else? The eyeshadow palette, and the Wander Beauty eye masks. So let me add up the total real quick, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I've added up the total. I think I'm missing something. Oh, the chocolate liner. So I added up the total, and the total is $112, which is over $100, which is great. I think out of all the boxes that I've gotten, this is probably my least favorite box. I didn't mind the eye masks at all. I will continue to use those. Those are always great. But the primer is just not my favorite, just because it's probably not going to be for my skin tone, but I'm not going to cancel that one out yet. So I'm going to say that is a good product. I haven't tried the gel liner, but it is a little light. I just wasn't able to use it on camera. So I'll keep trying that out as well. And then I actually liked the lip product. I will wear that. The probably most disappointing was this palette. I mean, it's pretty. It looks pretty, but it was very hard to work with, and I still think this could have been done so much better if the eyeshadows would have cooperated a little bit more. We could have used bases that would have helped, but I feel like eyeshadows should be able to perform well on their own. They just can, if they perform well on their own, you can just enhance it with, you know, a base or whatever. So I think this was my least favorite, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, me showing you all these products and trying them out and everything like that. Yeah, if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload. That is it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye!